Welcome back to Vlogmas, guys. As you can see, I'm here with Kayla.
Hey guys.
You'll see her a lot. So today we are making a festive drink.
We are in the holiday spirit, you guys.
Mine has lights.
Yeah, hers is better. But you know, I figured we're making holiday cocktails.
But not with vodka.
Not with vodka. This one is not with vodka.
No.
Sadly. But it doesn't matter.
So yeah, we already made one over on her channel, which ours will probably be posted around the same time. So head over there and make sure you watch what she made.
Yeah.
Well, what we made, but
it was actually a fun one and very Christmassy and a little spin to a classic cocktail. Yeah. So
we're not going to tell you what it is. You just have to go and watch.
So Amy, what are we making on your channel?
A Grinch. I think that's what it was called.
Grinch. A Grinch cocktail. I'm super excited for.
And if we make it right, it should be green. So
that's the key here, you guys. If we make it right.
If we make it right.
We're not claiming to be bartenders here. So.
Oh no. So, I will leave the recipe down below because the original recipe makes, what I say, 4 drinks. And we're just going to make it for 2. So we cut it in half. So we'll need 2 ounces of peach schnapps, 2 ounces of Bacardi. And it said that you could use any kind, citrus, whatever. I'm just using regular. 6 ounces of OJ, 2 ounces of Sprite, but you could also use 7-Up, and 2 ounces of blue curacao.
Yeah, 2 ounces of peach schnapps.
Peach schnapps. Okay, 2. Okay.
Ooh, that smells good.
It's really good. 2 ounce Bacardi.
Bacardi! Ladies, she's a better. Ladies and gents, I should say, because it's not just ladies. But she's a better pourer than I am. You can choose the best pour with this.
Sprite will go in after we shake.
Yes, do not shake with anything carbonated.
Learn from Kayla's mistakes.
I've done that. Like I said, we're not bartenders. So, all right, give it a nice shake.
Ooh, it's cold. I think we're good. Yeah.
Give it another good shake. All right, and then before we pour, we'll put in some Sprite, because then that way, you know.
Ooh. Green? Did we do it right?
I think we did it right, you guys.
All right, then we need 2 ounces of Sprite.
And we'll just pour.
Eyeball it.
Eyeball it.
Eyeball. Maybe?
Let the fizz go down. Let's see. But it's green, you guys. I think we did it right. Okay. Here, I'm going to move this out of the way. All right. You ready? Look how cute my glasses are, you guys.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, here.
Super cute. I have a dachshund, so when I found these last year, I was like,
he's looking. He's like, that's me.
It's green, you guys. That's very Grinchy.
These are cute.
All right, you guys.
Are you ready to try it?
Oh, I'm excited.
I'm
like
very
it.
excited. It's so green. It smells really good too.
Oh yeah. All right.
It almost smells pineapple-y.
Cheers. Cheers, you guys. Oh,
That's good.
oh. I like yours better.
This is really good. I'm gonna have to agree. I like my drink better.
I like yours way better.
I mean, it's not even like strong or.
This could get you in trouble.
Oh yeah, I can slap this right down.
If this was like served at a holiday party, in like a fruit bowl, or
I can imagine
like a punch bowl.
I can picture myself just like sitting at a pool drinking this though.
Oh hell yeah,
this
man.
is good.
This is good.
You guys need to try
oh my God.
this.
This one's definitely better than mine. Hers was, I mean, mine wasn't bad.
Yeah, hers was good.
I just felt like mine was very tropical, kind of tasting. And if you like tequila.
I mean, ooh, see, hers
has
tequila.
Shit.
I don't know if we already said that.
I don't either.
Yeah, hers is good, but mine is better.
Oh, God. Yeah, this is good. Definitely.
Grinch.
Yeah.
So,
the Grinch drink, you guys. You should definitely make this for your holiday parties this year.
Yeah, if you make it, let me know what you think of it down in the comments. Let me have one more sip.
It's good.
So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more because we'll be posting every day, both of us.
Yes, we're both doing Vlogmas, so a lot of holiday festive videos coming your way, and this is just only the beginning.
Yeah.
And I thought it was a great way to start off Vlogmas.
I do too. Nice.
Have a nice little cocktail.
So yeah, if you guys haven't already gone and checked out Kayla's channel, make sure you go and subscribe. Subscribe to mine as well. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, guys.